We will also analyze a tweet from Peter Schiff expressing his belief that the Bitcoin bull run will end if the price of Bitcoin drops below $60,000. Additionally, we will look at an intriguing article from CoinDesk explaining why the Bitcoin halving calculators are not working. Does this imply that the schedule has passed in this shot? I've got you covered. Alright, everybody, let's jump right in. Into it, Bitcoin's price is currently down 4.46% over the last 24 hours to 64,952. Ethereum is valued at $3,070. Right now, it's unavailable. 6.97% of people, due to the large amount of money that has been taken, DTA and USDC are both closing at $11. From the cryptocurrency markets, and investors have fled to stables in an attempt to buy back into XRP's holding line 49, which is declining. 10.29% higher than the previous day. People, if this drop is making you uncomfortable, take a quick zoom out. Consider the next 90 days. Bitcoin has increased by almost 51% over the last 3 months. Ethereum has increased by 20%. The value of Binance Coin has increased. 50 Solana are up to 73. Yes, XRP is down, but so far it hasn't really taken off. Zoom out, many individuals are stressed out. Alright, listen, sure, we're down, but for the last 3 months, you've still been up. 50%, where do you observe returns? In 90 days, you were going to be up 50%. You could earn a substantial amount in the stock market, and if you manage to gain over 5% in just 90 days, you should feel content. However, if you invested in CD Treasury bonds, you probably lost a lot of money. But the only way you could lose money was if you sold, and you are still up if you purchased any kind of cryptocurrency in the previous 90 days. Do you remain awake? You persisted in being green. Hence, if FTX unloads Solana assets at a substantial discount, that is what matters right now. Markdown is the account you should visit to view the beauty article. Additionally, notice the number of posts we are currently posting. We've already posted 6 pieces today, and there will likely be 4 or 8 more up as well. You can tell that we've been talking about air or drops. Enormous Liquidation Bitcoin Falls by Satoshi Nakamoto. If you enjoy reading, visit cryptoandnewport.com right now to get all of the crypto news you need in one place. XRP decreases, release this. Ripple is among the 70 prominent business titans who will be present at Token 2049 in Dubai in just 4 days. The best of both traditional and decentralized finance come together for this event. Below that level, Bitcoin has a clear break that will result in a powerful triple. We predict a quick rise to $20,000 at the top. At that point, MST, having purchased 214,000 Bitcoins at an average price of $34,000, will have realized a loss of $2.7 billion. At this moment, I don't see any scenarios where Bitcoin will fall below 20,000, perhaps at some point in the future. As we mentioned in the opening video of the day, this is where we are going next. Over the last few weeks, the range of 60 to 64,000 has been a good liquidity grab zone. That's where I believe the trend will go. Pending the holding, which is in a few days, we will range until Bitcoin makes its subsequent rise. When it breaks with over 74,000, it is full on, non-stop. We anticipate the Bitcoin bull run to occur when prices soar to $150,000. Some predict that prices will soar to $250,000 or even $250,000. Prepare yourself for who you are. You won't be able to purchase exchanges, and they will remain locked. This is not the moment to be yelling because you thought you missed something. Instead of sitting here in terror, take advantage of these incredible last-minute shopping opportunities. You see, everyone has been waiting for a second chance while remaining on the sidelines. The humorous thing is the crypto mentality. Is it true that when a cryptocurrency starts to rise and people notice that it has increased by 10 to 15 or 20%, they begin to throw money at it? I'm going to give you a perfect example of why you should never buy something when it is green, because it will eventually correct and go back down. All of these cryptos are losing money. This is an excellent asset at the moment. I have been discussing voiceover on this channel for a good while, all right? It is situated beneath a penny. We have discussed this. This is the chart that we will be looking at for the last 30 days. Please try to enter this area. 0.8 in summary, I encountered significant difficulties in transferring money to the exchange. Once it was on there, it took some time. This item basically doubled over on me, going to 0.15. Even though I was screaming and kicking, you know what? It was just a big step. Nearly a 100% increase. How did I act? I held out. I was patient, and I entered at a penny, around where these levels are now, all the way back down to 0.9. In fact, I recently learned that you can purchase or hold V on your Frost wallet, which is really great since I can get it from Mexico, where I bought it, but you appear to be able to do the same, and I must test this today. I will connect Frost to the seller on the Stellar Decentralized Exchange and make the transaction there. This is quite significant if it is true. To be honest, I'm going to try that in the morning. However, this is the major one, and it should demonstrate to you that patience is truly free. Keith, this will cost you at least 25 cents. Keith agrees and believes it will reach 25 cents as well. That's a 25x return on your investment in less than a year, folks. This isn't financial advice, and I'm not advising you. How should I proceed? Just to let you know what I'm going to do, would you kindly follow along? Don't do anything if you don't want to. While we are currently anticipating the renowned pre-planned programming event, however, the calculators for Bitcoin Haven are not in sync. It's surprising, well, for April 19th. It's challenging to predict with precision on a minute scale. The Bitcoin network is speedy. The event is rapidly approaching and is likely to occur in 5 days, on April 19th. In other words, they're saying that, well, it might be a little off. What does that mean? Honestly, doesn't mean a damn, people. Listen, having is having with you. We can all predict what will happen to Bitcoin while it is declining. The price is already falling as we speak on the channel. When the price is right, people will scream and kick, believing that the Bitcoin boom is imminent. Some individuals claim that Bitcoin has entered the naked market, but this is untrue. We will rise again, and this time, we will rise by the end of the year. The cryptocurrency market that you are currently viewing will not be the same as the cryptocurrency markets that you will see in the future. This indicates to me that a massive market crash is about to occur. He was right when he indicated that it was on April 11th. We witnessed an incredible market meltdown. We are currently experiencing a period of consolidation. This is enormous. Fantastic Crypto asserts that this is a critical moment, and I will be contributing to its development today. The 4-year consolidation is unbreakable. We have to cling to this 45-cent mark. We are maintaining that 50 degrees Celsius temperature. I presented the chart we discussed. The buy zone was 50 cents for XRP. We went below, and as they indicated, we wouldn't be here for very long if we went below the 50-cent threshold. People, let's get real. First and foremost, we need to check if Bitcoin holds between 60 and 64,000. If it does, then everything is okay and going as planned. Your buy zone is in place. Your liquidation zones are those in which Bitcoin declines. Knocks down the remaining markets. That's all there is to it. Bitcoin will rise once more.